was wondering if you could share with us how you develop your infrastructure so spirit can come into you.
Well, I started out as a poet as a young man, and my wife is still disappointed that I turned into a scientist. And I came to feel that that was why I was here, to make available this kind of information for the world that's transforming itself. But I found that, just as with my traditional science, I always sort of had an intuitive feeling of where the answers lay, so I designed experiments to invoke those answers. And I do it also here. And I think I get a lot of help from the unseen. So I have worked on myself because I cared enough. First through meditation, most important place to start for anyone. And that began 40 years or more ago. And then to follow the intuitions and just practice things on myself. And over the years, I found ways of moving energy and of helping myself, helping others, helping the cat, and I grew in more awareness as time went on. And I was willing to put my ego in service to the larger whole. And that occurred in the late 70s. And now I just sort of let the universe do its thing and bring people or things to my door. And some I can work with and some I can't. And I'm a worker in the fields like anybody who wants to do that sort of thing. So I see it as part of the process. I see it as part of the path.